Traders opened a new trading week with the expectations of the Fed chair testimony on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. They have chosen the wait-and-see approach. It's still unknown what stance Jerome Powell will choose, and he may support a rise of 25 basis points or switch to a more aggressive approach, announcing a 50 basis point hike in the key rate. It's obvious that the uncertainty is influencing European currencies. Thus, last month, European currencies lost about 3.8% amid hawkish comments provided by Fed officials. It's the biggest drop since April 2022, when the US dollar accelerated to the 20-year high amid the first hikes of the benchmark rate. However, this time the situation will hardly repeat. The European Central Bank is also ready to take aggressive measures to combat inflation. ECB President Christine Lagarde said that the key interest rate would exceed the current levels and would be kept at its peak until inflation slackened. This idea is also supported by other members of the ECB Governing Council. Against this backdrop, the euro increased against the US dollar last week. As a result, the price returned to 1.0650, and this proves that the market sentiment remains bullish. If the euro consolidates above 1.0650, the volume of long positions will increase, and this in turn may allow the pair to go above the high recorded last week. In the event of this, traders will get a technical signal of the euro's recovery after a slump locked in February. If the price lies below 1.0550, traders will consider a downward scenario, and in this case, the pair may drop to the fresh low. Meanwhile, the pound sterling continues hovering sideways within the range of 1.1950 and 1.2050 amid the expectations of Jerome Powell's speech. What's more, investors are waiting for additional measures from the Bank of England aimed to combat inflation. At the end of the previous week, the pound sterling edged up against the greenback after a bounce from the lower limit of the sideways channel of 1.1920 and 1.2150. This boosted the volume of long positions and allowed the price to climb above 1.20. Judging by the price fluctuations, the sideways movement is still in force. If the price consolidates above 1.2050, the volume of long positions will rise. In this case, pound will to grow to 1.2150. And if quote will drop below 1.1950, it may break the lower limit of 1.1920. How will going to be in the short term, we will definitely tell you in our next news releases. Don't miss them. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with us. See you soon.